Now, I don't want to crap all over AI, but there is something that you're doing wrong if you're jumping into AI first, because you're missing a vital part out. Because when it comes to building your personal brand, you need to get this right first, otherwise everything else dies. In this video, I'm going to share with you what it is. Right, let's get back to the office and I'll make this video for you. Don't use AI, use this instead. Today, I'm unpacking a topic that is seismic in its shift in the landscape of personal branding. And if you think this is just another personal brand guide, think again. I've got 5 steps that I'm going to share with you, which will very well revolutionize how you see your personal brand. So stay tuned until the end and I will share with you the right way to use AI, because I've been doing this for years and not just since the arrival of ChatGPT. So let's just cut to the chase. So many people are being seduced by AI and other tools as shortcuts for building their personal brand. What they end up with is something artificial and not authentic. All AI platforms are missing something fundamentally human, and that is a heart. And trust me, no algorithm can replicate that. And keep this core concept in your mind as we explore these transformational steps to get you the right attention that you need.
Attention will get you everything you want. You want to sell a course? Attention. You want to sell a t-shirt? Attention. You want to be the mayor of this town? Attention. You want to raise some money for your nonprofit because you're passionate about it? Attention. You want to be an actor? Attention. Attention.
So your step number 1 is a wake-up call. You've got to understand the immense risk of using AI as a quick fix. I mean, do you want to be known as a brand or as a bot? Because AI will make you the latter, no question about it. But don't just take my word for it. Let me take you back to the beginning of my social media agency. I didn't have fancy AI tools when I first started. What I had was a smartphone and a story to tell. My post-meeting reviews were simple, raw, and literally oh so real. They consisted of a hook to grab attention, story to hold that attention, and a solution for the viewer to act on. Now, I blasted these across every social platform that I was on. And the result? People didn't just notice my brand, they connected with it. And let me tell you, there's nothing more magnetic than a human connection. And this leads us into the all-important step number 2, your why. You know, people aren't swayed by what you're selling. People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Remember Simon Sinek? It's the why behind the brand that wins hearts. For me, my why was about cutting through all the noise and the snake oil on social media to deliver transparent and actionable advice whilst growing a business that supports my lifestyle and my family. Because you have to look after you first before you try to save the rest of the world. What's your why? Find it, embrace it, and let it lead you. Let me know in the comments below. So before we go any further, I want to say thank you for watching so far. Smash the like button, hit subscribe so you're notified every time I release a new video. So now on to step 3, and it's connection content. Are you wondering what this is? Well, you might have seen this video around here about the 4 C's of content. Every business needs, and I'll link it up in the description below. Remember the story you were told as a kid, Hansel and Gretel? Imagine those little breadcrumbs that lead people to the treasure. That's your connection content. Like those breadcrumbs, your connection content grabs people's attention. Short, authentic pieces that make people stop and think, who is this person? I want to know more. These breadcrumbs create a trail back to you, the heart of your brand. Now, step number 4 is where we dive into the deep end, building depth. Surface level content can only engage people so far, so pick your platform carefully. Make it your storytelling stage. It might be YouTube, it might be a podcast or a blog. Whichever you choose, make it your home for your why. And a bonus tip here. If you're stuck on what to create or what to talk about, simply review all of your short form content, that connection content that you've made already, and go deeper on those topics. After all, that's what got people's attention in the first place. And finally, if you've nailed the first 4 steps, you want to get to step number 5, and it's all about the AI. Now, this is all about how to use AI, not be used by it. The point is, AI is fantastic. It can be a great assistant, but a terrible CEO. Keep AI in the assistant chair and you'll find it really helps rather than hinders your brand's authenticity. Because here's the magic. You'll evolve from an uninspiring AI-dependent brand into a magnetic, deeply authentic brand. One that doesn't just attract views or likes, but forms genuine human connections. Remember, people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Intrigued? I've only scratched the surface here. So as promised, let me show you how I've used AI as my assistant for your benefit. To dive deeper into transforming your personal brand, download my free gift to you, my personal brand business playbook. Just click the link in the description below. It will take your personal brand from zero to hero. Remember, the beating heart of your brand can never be outsourced to AI. It starts and ends with you. Until next time, be authentic, be you, keep building that irresistible personal brand, and this video here is the best one to help you do that. Take care, much love, Big Daddy out.